I just want this video to be very inspiring, very motivational, somebody to get up off your ass, girl. Get up off your ass, okay? Get up off your ass and do something. Hey guys, okay, I forgot to do my intro. However, in this video, I'll be styling my hair at first, and then I'm going to be talking about how business is like during this pandemic and quarantine while I do my makeup. So I'm gonna be talking about that with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get straight into it.
I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm the hood Mona Lisa. Break a nigga into pieces. Had to X some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All them little ass clothes only fit fake booties. Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm a mother and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Hacking, stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Hacking, stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Eat me and record it, but your edge up all I'm showing. I keep my nigga private.
Alright, you guys, so now that I am done with my hair, I'll go ahead and do my makeup and just talk to you guys a little bit. Hair is from Raw My Hair collection, as mentioned earlier. I just decided to switch to a side part. I got a text, hold on. What happened to my last boyfriend? This dude just asked me what happened to my last boyfriend. OMG.
Ooh, y'all are really testing me on some stuff that I hate to say it. I hope I don't sound ridiculous. I don't know who this man is. I mean, he could be walking down the street. I wouldn't know a thing. Sorry to this man.
I'm not even gonna get into it. How is everybody doing during this quarantine though? Wow, I don't even think I was recording. Wow, okay you guys, so I hope everybody is safe during this quarantine. I hope everybody is staying safe, aware, following the guidelines, and I just hope everybody is good at the end of the day. I will not lie to you guys, when this quarantine, pandemic, when all this stuff started happening, I started to freak out because I'm like, I know this kind of sounds selfish, but I was just kind of like, what does this mean for me? What does this mean for my finances? What does this mean for my business? Because that's like what I have been focusing so much of my energy on, and I'm just like, I was scared. I'm like, I'm about to lose business. All I could do is really just pray. All I could do is just talk to God, tell him what I want, thank him for everything that he's done for me already, and just do my part, do the back end work, do what it is I'm supposed to do the things that I can do to help my situation right now. And you guys, I kid you not, I've done way better than I have expected, honestly. And actually, during this pandemic, I've made more money than I made the first few months of the year. So all I can say is I'm so grateful. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, God. I pray that this will continue. And I just want to thank all of you guys. I just want to say thank you guys so much for your love and your support. Anybody watching me, anybody sharing me, anybody who likes my brand, sees what I'm doing, likes what I'm doing. I just want to say thank you guys so much. Pause. I know this foundation looks way too light, but trust me, y'all, I got this. I got this. My other one was just way too dark and way too red for me, so I'm making this one work. So yeah, since I have all this time on my hands, I'm able to do all the things that I've been procrastinating on doing, like fixing up my website. I'm really executing everything that I've written down in my notebooks like 1,000 times over. Creating content on Instagram, things to post, my stories, YouTube, my business pages, Facebook, and I'm also trying to grow my Twitter. So consistently posting on all those platforms every single day is like, and I'm trying to post good content as well. So that's something that I've been doing. That's something that I have been working on. Another thing that I have coming out for you guys soon, I decided to go ahead and use this time to work on my hair care products. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up this line and launch it, because I've been getting so many questions on my natural hair. My natural hair is so long and it is so thick, so healthy, and I can't wait to launch this line. So I'm super excited to launch those things. You guys just stay on the lookout. If you are a person that wants to start their own brand, if you are somebody who wants to not even start their own brand, but start doing whatever it is that makes you happy. Like if you've thought about doing a podcast, if you thought about doing a YouTube channel, starting your TikTok, if you thought about making a book, starting your business, whatever the case may be, if you've just had an idea, a creative idea that you've been wanting to execute, I'm telling you guys, now is the perfect time. Do not get discouraged by this pandemic. You don't know what will happen. Right now I'm getting so many swimsuit orders. I'm like, where are y'all going? Where are y'all going? And take me with you, because I'm trying to go swimming too. But I'm not gonna ask no questions. Keep purchasing, keep supporting. Summer will come. We are gonna have a hot girl summer. So buy your swimsuits now. But anyways, don't get discouraged. Don't think this will stop anything. It won't. Use this time to just prepare yourself. Use this time to really prepare your brand and start your brand. This is the perfect time to start your brand. When I say start your brand, I mean like think of a name, think of your logo, start your website, make those Instagram pages, make your business cards, get your packaging, look into vendors, try out products, try samples, get your equipment, think about your rollout plan, get your business license, think about like all this stuff. If you want to do PR packages, like go ahead and get all that rolling. Start thinking about it, working on it right now, because it will take time, especially if you're doing these things by yourself. If you're making your own graphics, making your own website, making your own content, that stuff takes time. Go ahead and make it now and be prepared, so that when you do launch your brand, you are able to consistently promote it, consistently roll out good content, talking about it, having people talking about it. Like you'll do much better that way, rather than trying to start your brand and doing all those things in between at the same time. Like, now is the perfect time. Do not get discouraged, no matter what it is. No matter what it is. Right now is the perfect time to start a YouTube channel. Lately, I've been getting a good amount of subscribers. All my new subscribers, hello, welcome to my channel. Right now is also a great time to start a podcast if you're into that. If you've been wanting to write a book, start a book. Right now is the perfect time to start a book. I've been getting really inspired by watching B. Simone, her journey to 1 million.
Fucking journey for the next 50 days. And on April 5th, I will have $1 million in my savings account.
And she talks about like all her different side hustles that she had to do. I've been seeing people start an OnlyFans for their cooking. I've been seeing people making cookbooks and things like that. So all this home stuff, all this home life stuff is popping right now. If you have a skill, something that you want to teach somebody, people are trying to learn new skills right now. Right now is the perfect time to start your ebook, do a webinar, do you, boo, do you. But yeah. All right, I know I look a little bit pale, but we're gonna use some powder and clean this right on up. I just really honestly want everybody to stay inspired, stay motivated during this time. Don't just count the days, make the days count, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't just sit around and wait for outside to just open back up on its own. Be prepared for outside to open back up, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to walk out of this quarantine better than I stepped into this quarantine. I'm not trying to like get worse and then try to build myself back up. No, we are not doing that. We are not slacking on nothing. If anything, we are keeping our foot on the gas. That's just my thing. I honestly do not feel like people should just be at home laying down all day, every day, not doing anything to improve yourself. I'm not even saying like do the most during this quarantine. At least get up, at least work out, stretch, do some yoga, pray, meditate, cook, clean, wash some dishes, do your clothes, straighten this up, get to that, do this off your to-do list. Like, do something. Don't just let these days just go by and just pass us by. Like, I hate, one thing about me, One thing about me is I hate wasting my time and I hate wasting my money. And for me, money is time and time is money. So if you're wasting one of the two, then you lose. You're behind. I just know during this quarantine, I'm spending my time promoting my brand, trying to sell these products, trying to build my content, build my engagement, my followers, edit, work, learn some skills. I'm trying to, this is like a free vacation for me. Like, y'all, I'm trying to spend this time wisely. I'm enrolling my real estate classes so that by the time that this is out of here, I can go ahead and start selling me some houses, boo-boo, and get my own place. But all this is for a different talk for a different day. I just want this video to be very inspiring, very motivational. Somebody to get up off your ass, girl. Get up off your ass, okay? Get up off your ass and do something. Did I mention lashes from my hair collection are all $5 right now with free shipping on all orders, baby? Get you some lashes.
That's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, movie, nasty.
My dad is doing the most, but yeah. And he's still gonna sing. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed watching another video. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see from me while I'm at home, while I'm at this quarantine. Give me some topics you guys want me to talk about and we can do that. Let me know if you guys want me to do more makeup looks, hair looks, fashion videos, home stuff, decorating stuff. What type of content are you guys interested in? And I'll make sure to give it to you guys. If you like more business related content, let me know, and I got some tips and tricks for you guys as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Shop around my hair collection on the hair bundle, $65. Wigs, you get $50 off your wig purchase. But yeah, thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage. Yeah, classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah, sassy, movie, nasty. Hacking stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Eat me and record it, but your edge up all I'm showing. I keep my niggas private, so it's AP all I'm showing. Beefing with you bitches really